Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 10 power 3 plus 15 power 3 plus 20 power 3 by 10 times 15 times 20. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 10 we can write it as 5 times 2 whole power 3 plus 15 as 5 times 3 whole power 3 plus 20 as 5 times 4 whole power 3 by 10 times 15 times 20. Now exponent rule, x times y power m, we can write it as x power m times y power m. So it becomes 5 power 3 times 2 power 3 plus 5 power 3 times 3 power 3 plus 5 power 3 times 4 power 3. Similarly, in denominator 10, we can write it as 5 times 2, 15 as 5 times 3, and 20 as 5 times 4. Now from numerator, I can take 5 cube as common. So 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube by. Similarly, here also 5 comes 3 times. So we can write it as 5 power 3 times 2 times 3 times 4. So we can cancel out 5 cube from numerator as well as denominator. Now 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64 by 2 times 3 times 4. When we add numerator, we get 99 times by 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. We can divide both numbers by 3. So it gives us 33 by 8, which is equals to 8, 4 whole 1 by 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.